Okay, a question I see a lot of people asking is, how do you make this easier to pull? I mean, I don't know if you can see the tip on there, but it's not much of a tip, right? I mean, wow, that's really hard. uh, it's tube, probably a little cold. So I mean, it's really hard. That's going to come out real slow. So one thing you can do to make it come out easier, create a bigger hole, right? So cut more off. Now it's a much bigger hole. This is mostly dry in this tube though, so that's going to be most of the problem. And if you can see, I mean, I'm squeezing, and it's barely coming out. Go buy new tubes. Clearly, when I bought this a couple months ago, clearly this was quite a bit older than it should have been on the shelf. Because, I mean, I can pull, I mean, that's not even really sticking to me. So, get a new tube. Get new product. Product that hasn't been sitting there on the shelf for way too long like this stuff has. It worked fine when I bought it. Now that it's been sitting down here for about a month, it ain't working. The other thing to do is just create a bigger hole. Because if it's coming out real slow or real hard, it's too small of a hole. Now this hole is way too big for most people's applications, but this is an old tube that probably should have already been used by now. One thing we can do is you can warm it up a little bit. Just try to get warm-ish. This should help loosen it up a little bit. Although it looks like this is mostly dried out. So just go buy a new product. If it's that hard, this is too old. Too old to use. It's not going to give a good thing because it's already mostly solid and not real. I mean, you can smush it in, but I mean, come on, this is too old. Too rubbery. Not going to be any good for you. Well, you can use it. It's just not going to go really well and easy.